Hey y'all, today I'm going to be making a Christmas craft. Some of you are going to say it's too early for Christmas. We haven't even done Thanksgiving yet. But let me tell you that if you wait too long, the supplies to make some of these things will not be available at the store anymore. So I went out to Dollar Tree. I picked up some of the night lights that they sell. They're $1 a piece. If you shop at Dollar Tree, you know about these. I also picked up some little ornaments. For this project, I'm going to be making the little deer. So you're going to need, if you're only going to do one, you need one nightlight, one reindeer head. You're going to need some glue. You're going to need a glue gun. I have some glitter. And I have some Mod Podge. And a brush to put the Mod Podge on with. So, premise behind it is we're going to take one of these night lights and we're going to cover it with glue, the Mod Podge. I should have opened this earlier, but I didn't. So we're going to take it and we're going to cover it with Mod Podge and sprinkle the glue on there, the glitter on there, and then we're going to let that dry. When that's done, we're going to hot glue the deer onto it. So you can see it from, let me cut the tag off. So you're going to take it and you're going to glue it to the front here. See it from the side. Very simple. These have a cute little bell, some holly, I guess you'd call it, some holly on there. Like I said, they're only $1. Oops. So I'm going to get started and show you how to make one. Alright, so just take your Mod Podge, put it on the front of the nightlight, probably could put it on the back too, but for this one I'm going to do it on the front. I'm going to sprinkle some glitter on there. And then we are going to let it dry. There's one. Do the other one. I keep a tray under here because all of the glitter will just get put back into the container. And one of these containers lasts me a really long time. Okay, so I'm going to let these dry. And then I will be back in a little bit to glue on the reindeer. Okay, I think they've dried long enough. So now I am going to take one of the deer. Put some hot glue on there from the glue gun. And I'm going to center it. I'm going to lay him down and let him dry. I'm going to do the other one the same way. I'm going to let him dry. Meantime, I'm going to pour the glitter back in my container. Save that for another project. It's going to take a few minutes for these to dry. And this is the finished project. Or if I plug it in, you see, here it is, he shines blue. No, my backsplash hasn't been put up yet. But anyway, it would probably be, some people would like it better if it were white instead of a blue light. But this is a $2 Dollar Tree project. So I haven't ever found white lights there. Most of them are blue. If you can find a white one, then great. But the blue is kind of magical too, so we're not going to complain about that. Let me plug it into one of my other walls and see what it looks like, because this is not where it's going to be. Here it is on my palette wall. He fits right in with the rustic theme. And there you go. So thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe.